Did you know that over 1 billion men worldwide experience prostate problems during their lifetime? What you drink every day could be making the situation worse. Some common drinks, which may seem harmless, can actually inflame, enlarge, and even cause pain in your prostate. If you want to protect your health and avoid complications like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, this video is for you. Today, I'll reveal 7 drinks that might be sabotaging your prostate health. And some of them you probably consume daily without realizing the risks. Stay with me until the end to learn which drinks to avoid and how to replace them with healthier options. Before we start, make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. Number 1. Energy drinks. Energy drinks promise a quick energy boost, but they come with a hidden cost to your prostate health. These drinks are often packed with high levels of caffeine, sugar, and artificial stimulants like taurine, guarana, and ginseng, which can negatively impact your urinary system and hormonal balance. One of the biggest concerns is excessive caffeine, which acts as a bladder irritant. High caffeine intake can lead to frequent urination and increased urgency, especially for men with an enlarged prostate, BPH. Dehydration, which can worsen prostate inflammation. Disrupted sleep patterns, leading to hormonal imbalances that may contribute to prostate issues. The high sugar content in energy drinks is another major problem. Many brands contain 30 to 50 grams of sugar per can, which fuels chronic inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which are linked to prostate enlargement and prostatitis. Additionally, some energy drinks contain artificial sweeteners and preservatives, which may trigger inflammatory responses in the body. Solution: instead of energy drinks, choose natural energy-boosting alternatives that support long-term prostate health. Green tea, a natural source of caffeine with antioxidants, catechins, that help reduce inflammation and promote prostate health. Homemade smoothies, blend banana, spinach, and a handful of nuts for a nutrient-rich energy boost without harmful additives. Hydrating options: drink coconut water or infused water with lemon and ginger to stay energized and refreshed. By cutting out energy drinks, you'll not only protect your prostate, but also experience more stable energy levels, improve focus, and better overall health. Number 2. Coffee. Coffee is loved worldwide for its energy-boosting effects, mental alertness, and rich aroma, making it a daily ritual for millions. However, too much of a good thing can backfire, especially for your prostate. The main concern is caffeine, a stimulant that affects the bladder, urinary tract, and hormone balance. Excessive caffeine intake, typically more than 3 to 4 cups per day, can increase urinary frequency, urgency, and discomfort, particularly in men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or other prostate issues. Since caffeine is a diuretic, it promotes fluid loss, which may lead to dehydration. Dehydration, in turn, can concentrate urine, increasing irritation in the bladder and exacerbating prostate inflammation. Additionally, studies suggest that high caffeine intake may elevate stress hormones like cortisol, which can contribute to inflammation and worsen prostate symptoms. Some research even indicates a possible link between excessive coffee consumption and an increased risk of prostate discomfort due to its acidic nature, which may irritate the urinary tract. Solution: moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 cups per day and avoid adding excessive sugar or cream, as these can contribute to inflammation and weight gain, both of which negatively impact prostate health. If you're sensitive to caffeine or already experiencing urinary symptoms, consider switching to decaffeinated coffee or herbal teas. Teas like green tea, turmeric tea, or chamomile tea contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that support prostate health while still offering a comforting, warm beverage option. Number 3. Alcohol. While occasional drinking may not seem harmful, regular or excessive alcohol consumption can have a significant impact on prostate health. Studies show that alcohol acts as an irritant to the urinary tract, leading to increased urination, bladder irritation, and a higher risk of prostate inflammation. For men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or other prostate conditions, Alcohol can worsen nocturia, frequent nighttime urination, urgency, and difficulty emptying the bladder. Since alcohol is a diuretic, it increases urine production and may contribute to dehydration, further aggravating urinary symptoms. Another concern is that alcohol can alter hormone levels, including increasing estrogen and reducing testosterone. Higher estrogen levels are linked to prostate enlargement, while lower testosterone can negatively affect overall prostate function. Chronic alcohol consumption may also contribute to oxidative stress, leading to increased inflammation and a higher risk of prostate disease. Solution: you don't have to give up alcohol entirely, but moderation is crucial. Stick to no more than 2 drinks per day and avoid excessive binge drinking. Consider healthier alternatives like red wine, which contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that may help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. If you drink beer or spirits, opt for lighter options and balance your intake with plenty of water to stay hydrated. Number 4, sugary drinks and sodas. Did you know that a single can of soda contains up to 39 grams of sugar, nearly double the recommended daily limit for men? While sugar is widely known for contributing to weight gain and metabolic issues, it also plays a hidden role in prostate health by fueling chronic inflammation and hormonal imbalances. Excess sugar intake, especially from sodas, sweetened teas, and flavored drinks, leads to insulin resistance and higher blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that insulin spikes are linked to increased prostate size and a higher risk of prostatitis, inflammation of the prostate. This means that regularly consuming high-sugar beverages can gradually worsen prostate symptoms, making urinary issues more persistent and uncomfortable. Many sodas also contain phosphoric acid, which can leach calcium from bones, potentially impacting overall bone and prostate health. Additionally, artificial sweeteners found in diet sodas have been linked to metabolic disturbances that may contribute to inflammation. Solution: swap sugary drinks for healthier alternatives that support hydration and prostate health. Some great options include unsweetened iced tea, such as green or herbal tea, infused water with fresh fruit, mint, or cucumber, natural coconut water, which is hydrating and rich in minerals, homemade smoothies using low-sugar, anti-inflammatory ingredients like berries, spinach, and turmeric. By reducing sugar intake, you can lower inflammation, regulate blood sugar, and support better prostate function. Number 5, whole milk and dairy products. Whole milk and full-fat dairy products are often considered nutritious, but excessive consumption may have unintended consequences for prostate health. Research suggests that high-fat dairy intake is linked to an increased risk of prostate inflammation and, in some cases, a higher likelihood of prostate cancer. The main concerns with dairy include saturated fats found in whole milk, cheese, and cream, which may contribute to chronic inflammation and hormone imbalances. Increased levels of insulin-like growth factor 1, a hormone that has been linked to prostate enlargement and abnormal cell growth in the gland. Calcium overload, which in excessive amounts may negatively affect prostate function and increase cancer risk. Men who consume large amounts of dairy daily may experience higher levels of prostate-related discomfort, especially if they already have BPH or prostatitis. Solution: instead of eliminating dairy completely, consider switching to healthier alternatives. Plant-based milks like almond, oat, or soy milk, which provide essential nutrients without the high levels of saturated fats and IGF-1. Low-fat dairy options such as skim milk or low-fat yogurt, which contain beneficial probiotics without excessive fat content. Calcium from plant-based sources, such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, to maintain bone and prostate health without overloading on dairy. By making small adjustments to your diet, you can significantly reduce inflammation, improve hormonal balance, and support long-term prostate health. Number 6, carbonated beverages. Even if a carbonated drink doesn't contain sugar or caffeine, it might still pose a risk to your prostate health. Many carbonated beverages, including sparkling water, flavored fizzy drinks, and diet sodas, contain acidic additives like phosphoric acid and citric acid. These additives can disrupt the body's pH balance, irritate the urinary tract, and worsen symptoms of prostate enlargement, such as frequent urination and discomfort. Additionally, carbonated drinks may cause bloating and gas, which can put additional pressure on the bladder and contribute to urinary urgency. Furthermore, some flavored carbonated drinks contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame or saccharin, which have been linked to inflammation and potential negative effects on overall metabolic health. Over time, consistent consumption of these beverages may contribute to chronic irritation of the prostate, increasing the risk of conditions such as prostatitis or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Solution: if you enjoy carbonation, stick to plain sparkling water and limit your intake to avoid excessive bladder stimulation. Adding a splash of lemon, cucumber, or fresh mint can provide natural flavor and offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or ginger tea, can also be great alternatives to support urinary tract health while keeping you hydrated. Number 7. Packaged fruit juices. Packaged fruit juices may seem like a healthy option, but they often contain more sugar and additives than actual fruit. Many commercial fruit juices are heavily processed, stripping away essential fiber while concentrating natural sugars. As a result, a single glass of store-bought juice can contain as much sugar as a can of soda, leading to insulin spikes, increased inflammation, and a higher risk of prostate enlargement over time. Even no added sugar or 100% fruit juice varieties can be misleading. These juices still contain high levels of fructose, which, when consumed in excess, can contribute to metabolic imbalances, weight gain, and oxidative stress, all of which may negatively impact prostate health. Some brands also include preservatives, artificial flavors, and stabilizers that could further contribute to inflammation and digestive discomfort. Additionally, without fiber to slow down sugar absorption, drinking fruit juice can cause rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes, increasing cravings and potentially affecting hormone balance. Studies have linked high sugar consumption to increased risks of chronic conditions, including obesity and type 2 diabetes, both of which are associated with higher chances of prostate-related problems. Solution: instead of relying on packaged fruit juices, opt for freshly squeezed juices. Or better yet, eat whole fruits. Whole fruits provide fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar, supports digestion, and delivers essential nutrients without harmful additives. If you're craving a refreshing drink, try blending smoothies with anti-inflammatory ingredients like berries, spinach, and ginger. These nutrient-dense smoothies not only taste great, but also help combat inflammation, promote healthy blood circulation, and support overall prostate health. Remember, your prostate health depends on what you drink. Your prostate health isn't just about what you eat, it's also heavily influenced by what you drink. By making small, intentional changes, you can protect your prostate and improve your overall well-being. Prostate health tips. Hydrate. Wisely, water is your best ally. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day to flush out toxins and keep your body hydrated. Limit harmful drinks. Cut back on sugary sodas, excessive coffee, and alcohol. Moderation is key. Choose anti-inflammatory options. Incorporate drinks like green tea, turmeric tea, or smoothies with anti-inflammatory ingredients like berries and ginger. Swap dairy for plant-based options. Try almond, oat, or soy milk to reduce saturated fat intake. Read labels. Avoid hidden sugars, artificial sweeteners, and harmful additives. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Together, we can build habits that last a lifetime. Your prostate health matters. Start making smarter drink choices today.